In this video, we'll do rational inequality, question number 3. Okay, let's solve the inequality. So we'll use number line to display the solution sets, and then we'll test any number from that interval. So we can write answers in the notations using interval or set field notations, okay? Question number 3. So don't worry about inequality for now. Let's find all the boundary numbers we can find from the given equation, okay? So let's solve the equation. By the way, do we have any excluded values for this inequality? That's right. So that is another thing I need to figure it out, okay? Look at the denominator. Denominator is a variable in rational expression. So this should not be equal to 0, and I need to avoid using -6 from the domain. So that is excluded value. If I have -6 in the denominator, it gets 0. Dividing by 0, that is a problem, okay? So always remember that. So we have one number we already found on the number line, okay? On the number line, that's going to be a number. Now let's solve this. So 3 can be written as 3 over 1, and I can use cross multiplication because I have one fraction bar on each side. So let's do the problem. Don't forget to putting extra parentheses for the denominator, okay? You have binomial as a factor. We have 3 times everything. That is how we cross multiply. Equal sign 1 times everything. So x plus 32, that is a whole factor, okay? Times 1. Times 1, and we got the same thing, right? So now let's do distributive property. And then let's solve the equation. Move the x term to the other side, 2x. Let's move the number 18 to the other side by subtracting 18. So what do I get? 14. All right. So what is going to be x value? Divide both sides by 2, 7. So I have number 7, and I have number -6. They test. Taking good notes. That's first thing you need to master in math class. And that will be taken, and then I'll give you the grade, okay? And you don't want to spend more time doing this, okay? Do it when we do it. It's not recording, okay? I paused. Any questions so far? Now let's make a point, okay? Draw a circle, and then let's make a decision. Closed or open? Obviously, excluded value goes with open circle. How about number 7 here? You are looking at this notation, okay? And it has bar, that means equal sign. So I need to use closed circle. So let's shade that, okay? And now let's test with 3 different regions. So let's pick a number from this interval. -8, good choice. Okay, from this one. 0 is my favorite number when you see sign changes, okay? Plus, minus, change, and I use 0. Okay, higher number than 7. Okay, another 8. Okay, let's see. And let's check. What do I check? I'm checking this inequality. This inequality is true or not, okay? So let's start with the easy number, 0. 0 plus 32, 32. Divided by 0 plus 6, which is 32 divided by 6. Is that 5 point something something? 5 point something something, right? Yeah, is that less than or equal to 3? No, that's not true. That's false. So I'm not taking this region, okay? And then automatically, do I take the other regions? Possibly, but let's check, okay? -8. So 32 subtract 8, 24 divided by -8, plug in the given inequality. That's -2, which is -12. Is that less than or equal to 3? Yes, that's true. So I need to shade that region, okay? So I need to shade this region. And now let's plug 8, 32 plus 8, and then divide by 8 plus 6, which is 40 divided by 14. Is that less than or equal to 3? 40 divided by 14. 2 point something, 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 right? So that is true. So I need to shade this region also. So shade this region. And this is just drawing how you graph on the number line to describe this x, possible x, okay? So let's write answer neatly. How do we write answer? So let's write answer. Parentheses, -6, comma, 7 with closed circle means bracket, okay? That is easier way to describe your answer in interval notation. Oh, wait a minute. I have nothing here, right? Sorry. So let's do it again. So -infinity to -6. I have two intervals, right? So I need to connect them with the union notation. And the other one is bracket 7 to infinity with parentheses all the time. Infinity and -infinity, we use parentheses. If it is included, we have brackets. And I shaded two regions, and I have a union of two intervals. Okay? So that is union of two separated intervals. Can I write my answer in inequality notations? Yes. So you can do the same way. X is less than -6, or X is greater than or equal to number 7, okay? And then you can put curly braces with the element X with the condition bar. That's called the set builder notation. So either way, fine.